Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn it, this, that, these and those in German language. So first one is as ist. It is. As means it and ist means is. So as ist. In masculine noun, es ist ein Regenschirm. Es ist ein Regenschirm. It is an umbrella. Regenschirm means umbrella. There are some words Anfang, start and object. We can make some sentences with neuter nouns. Es ist ein Buch. Es ist ein Buch. It is a book. And word is here Pferd, horse. In feminine noun, es ist eine Glocke. Es ist eine Glocke. Bell. And words are here Taster, key and Kette, chain. Now there are some words in German and we will use here without any article. Ist es wahr? Is it true? Ist es wahr? Es ist Schluss. It's over. You can make some sentences with the help of these words. Est means real, privat, private, tall, great, einfach, easy, nützlich, useful, and cost and loss, free. Now let us learn das ist. Das ist means this is or that is. Das is used for both this and that. We'll use some masculine nouns. Das ist ein Apfel. Das ist ein Apfel. This or that is an apple. Das ist der Apfel. This or that is the apple. First word is test. Test means test in English. Stift. Stift means pen. Bleistift, pencil. Löffel, spoon. Fluss, river. Schlüssel, key. Unfall, accident. Antrag, application. And Witz, joke. You can make sentences with the help of these words. Let us talk about neuter nouns. Das ist ein Baby. Das ist ein Baby. This or that is a baby. Das ist das Baby. This or that is the baby. Some words are here to help. Das Heft, notebook, book, book, and Mehr, see. Hauptgericht, main course. Hauptgericht means main course. Stool, chair. Geld, money. And Zimmer, room. Feminine noun. Das ist eine Uhr. Das ist eine Uhr. This or that is a watch. Das ist die Uhr. This or that is the watch. Some words here. Farbe, color. Stadt, city. Zeitung, newspaper. Wohnung, apartment. Toilet. And mode, fashion. Without article. Das ist schlecht. This, that is bad. Das ist nicht gut. This or that is not good. Some words here. Einfach, easy. False, wrong. Wichtig, important. Richtig, right. Gratis, free. Hilfreich, helpful. Normal, normal. And besonders, special. Now in plural, das sind means these are or those are. Das sind Bücher. Das sind Bücher. These or those are books. Here are some words. Katzen, cats. Sachen, things. Zeitungen, newspaper. Frauen, women. Anhänger, attachments. Hunde, dogs. Normal, and besonders, special. Now let us learn dies ist. Dies ist means also this is, and these sind means these are. This is only used for this and these. Dies ist ein Ei. This is an egg. Dies ist ein Buch. This is a book. And this ist eine Katze. This is a cat. Some words here: dollar, Notfall, emergency, Vereinbarung, agreement. Now these sind Bücher. These are books. Some words here: Katzen, Sachen, Zeitungen, Frauen, Anhänger, and Hunde. So that is all for this video. So we'll learn something new in next video. Till then, tschüss.